Yo, what is up, Dragon Nation? As you saw from the past 5 seconds, jumping out of a plane it's scary. It's scary. Now you'll have to excuse the get-up and the lighting. I'm walking around in a lovely park up in Sheffield because I'm back now. Obviously I'm not falling for the sky at the moment, but here's another sample of it. And I just thought I'd take this opportunity to fill you guys in on the journey that was the flight of the Dragon Nation. The first, and possibly not last. So I've always wanted to raise money for charity using my platform. It's always been something that I've dreamed of doing. I wanted to make a big difference, and building up a following on both YouTube and Twitch has allowed me to do that. So firstly, a massive thank you to you guys, every one of you who comes by, watches my streams, watches my very rare YouTube video, and just is a part of the Dragon Nation. And for those of you that aren't, what are you doing? Subscribe now. I haven't said that in a while. But yeah, no, seriously, it was a bit of a mad one. I never thought that I would jump out of a plane, but doing that was one of the best choices I'd ever made. So Joel, why a charity stream? Good question. Well, it's for moments like this.
The king?
Let's go for the king. We can do it. We can do it.
Yeah.
I got my freeze.
Yeah.
I'm flipped. Didn't like that.
Yeah.
Didn't like that. Boom. Let's go.
We murdered. That dude's name was Stream Safe Name.
I appreciate that, dude. If I could go into if there was a global chat, I would be like, yes, I appreciate you. Murderers. Wait, Ben, did we kill you? And this. I'm good. You? Yeah, I'm good. I'm nervous. I've never done a 6-hour stream before, or if I have, I don't remember it. So that says a lot. This looks so slick. Thank you. This sharp outfit. Look, to be honest, I need to match. I need to match my artwork. I need my artwork to match me. So I should probably keep working.
Oh, and how can we forget about this?
Right, sick. Right, I haven't warmed up for this video. I haven't really moved, but I guess it's better than sitting out the whole time. So yeah, we're gonna race. Let's go. There we go. There's your triple down for you.
But seriously, charity stream is a brave one because I'd never done one before. It was 6 hours. It was crazy. As you could see in the previous video that I did for this, I was nervous. I was more nervous about jumping out of the plane, but 6 hours for someone who can't really focus for longer than 2 seconds, I've already lost my train of what was I saying? Point in case, yeah, I can't focus for longer than a few hours at most, which is why streaming is an interesting format for me. But I really do think it went well, and I want to do more. I want to do a 12-hour stream at some point, and maybe even build up to 24 hours. So essentially what I'm trying to say is I did something that I never thought I could. And it was all for something that meant a lot for me. I'm not gonna lie, mental health isn't talked about enough. It just isn't. And I really do think that conversations about it should be opened up. I think that men should be able to say when they're not feeling okay. I think that women do deserve the support that they get, and I think anyone in between deserves to have their mental health equal just as much as anyone else. which is why I was raising money for Mind. Now, as of this video, I'm going to be ending the fundraiser there. We hit a smashing 270 as of recording, and I really do hope that alongside more future charity streams, whatever I do next, that you guys will support me and we'll be able to raise even more money, not just for mental health, but for any good cause. That's the point of the Dragon Nation, to support each other. And I couldn't be more proud of what you guys have done. So now you get to see a full clip of what it was like to jump out of a plane. Enjoy. If you ever think about doing something like that, do. It's something you'll never forget. Also, I'd be lying if I wasn't saying that when Seb first asked me, I said no. But my sister, Annalie, convinced me to do it because it was something that I'd never live down if I didn't. So, first of all, thanks to Seb for coming up with the whole thing. Like, oh my gosh, dude, that was crazy. Big shout out. You know, thanks to my sister for encouraging me to do it, and it was 100% worth it. Literally, thanks to everyone. You know, Zapdos, Cranky, Reese, who all featured on the stream as well. Couldn't have done it without you. Ben as well. Sorry that I had to steal your crown at the end, but you know.
Are we fighting that?
Yeah, let's just fight it. Whatever. Let's see if we can take it.
We're gonna die.
I'll tank.
Alright, fair. Wait, I've almost got freeze. I've got freeze. There we go. Wait, we could actually do this.
We can actually do this.
Never
You're
mind.
actually kind of dying though.
Yeah, never mind.
Kind
Lord.
of dying though.
Extra life, let's go! Freeze!
Okay.
Freeze for the clutch!
You got the boss?
I beat the boss! And now Ben's chasing me. Ben, why?
I kind of died for you then.
I'm not the king!
You're
Oh,
the king.
thank you,
But I'm
Mike.
dead.
That's it, Dragon Nation
Yeah,
dub.
yeah.
Dragon Nation dub.
You're my heir.
Let's go.
It is what it is. But yeah. Oh yeah, and UK parachuting. Thanks. Oh yeah, Seb's mum. Thanks for taking us, and Lydia, thank you for taking some pictures and videos as well. I think that's everyone. If I did miss you out, just say, and I'll put you in the description. But yeah, no, seriously. Most importantly, we all jumped in memories of Seb's dad, Gilbert. So yeah, all the love. Flight of the Dragon Nation Part 2, when?
Oh yeah, I also somehow forgot to say who I actually jumped with. From the left, we have the guy who organised it all, Seb, then we got the very brave George, then we got the very brave Reese, and then we got that loser at the end, what's his name? Oh yeah, DragoelX, yours truly, it's me. Honestly, such an amazing group to jump with, so thank you guys. Don't know if you're watching it, but all the love.
I honestly have forgotten how to make YouTube videos, so oh, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now to be part of the Dragon Nation, and follow me on Twitch so that you get to catch all the fun, crazy shenanigans live on my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/DragoelX. Peace!